Did you know that your diet can directly impact your prostate health? Many men face prostate issues, but there's hope. Imagine if changing your eating habits could reduce your risk of problems. In this video, we'll reveal the top 9 worst foods for your prostate health and explain why you should avoid them. As men age, prostate tissue can grow, leading to inflammation, poor urinary health, and even prostate cancer. But did you know that certain foods can worsen these issues? We'll dive into the research and show you how avoiding these foods can promote better prostate health. Join us to discover the top 9 foods to avoid and learn how an anti-inflammatory diet can support your prostate. Make informed choices and improve your health today. What is prostate health? The prostate gland is essential in the male reproductive system, supporting key reproductive and urinary functions. This small, walnut-sized gland is located just below the bladder and surrounds the urethra, the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. Understanding prostate health means knowing how this vital organ works and recognizing the common issues it can face. Prostate health is crucial for overall well-being and quality of life. Importance of prostate health. The prostate gland produces the liquid part of semen, essential for nourishing and transporting sperm, making it vital for male fertility. Its location near the bladder and urethra means prostate health directly impacts urinary functions, with issues causing discomfort and difficulty urinating. Understanding prostate health also involves managing risks like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. Maintaining a healthy prostate is crucial for overall well-being, preventing pain, discomfort, and emotional stress. Prostate-related issues. As men age, prostate issues become more common, disrupting daily life. Common conditions include inflammation, prostatitis, causes pain, fever, and trouble urinating. Enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Non-cancerous swelling leads to frequent urination, weak urine flow, and difficulty emptying the bladder. Prostate cancer. One of the most common cancers in men, with symptoms similar to BPH. Early detection and management are crucial for a good outcome. How does diet impact prostate health? Our diet affects our body's biochemistry, influencing hormone balance and cell health. Understanding how different foods and nutrients impact prostate health helps us make informed dietary choices. By selecting the right foods, we can promote better prostate health and reduce the risk of related issues. Here's a closer look at how diet plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy prostate. Effect on inflammation. Inflammation, a natural immune response, can lead to prostate diseases if chronic. Diets high in refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and processed foods worsen inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, berries, and green vegetables support prostate health. Antioxidants in fruits and vegetables, such as vitamin C, E, selenium, and lycopene, protect cells and reduce prostate cancer risk. Lycopene in tomatoes and watermelon is particularly effective, especially when cooked. Healthy fats. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats from avocados, nuts, and fatty fish help balance hormones and reduce inflammation, lowering prostate cancer risk. Fiber. Fiber in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables aids digestion and weight management, reducing prostate issue risks. High-fiber foods also regulate blood sugar and decrease inflammation. Water. Staying hydrated helps flush irritants and reduces prostate discomfort. Let's discuss 9 worst foods for prostate health. Research shows that diet plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health. Being mindful of what we eat can make a significant difference. Here are the 9 worst foods for prostate health that men should consider reducing or eliminating from their diet. Number 1. Processed meats. Why are they harmful? Processed meats are detrimental to prostate health for several reasons. They contain high levels of unhealthy fats, leading to inflammation. The high sodium content can cause high blood pressure, potentially harming the prostate's blood supply. Additionally, nitrites and nitrates used as preservatives form harmful compounds linked to prostate cancer. Cooking these meats at high temperatures produces cancer-causing agents like heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Examples of processed meats to avoid: hot dogs, bacon, sausages, salami, bologna, pepperoni, ham, especially heavily processed. Health risks associated with consuming processed meats. Eating processed meats can lead to various health risks, including increased risk of prostate cancer, heart health concerns, inflammation, obesity. Being aware of these risks can help you make better dietary choices for a healthier prostate. Number 2. Red meat. Connection between red meat and prostate health. The link between red meat and prostate health is often debated, but excessive consumption can pose risks. Here's why. Higher risk of prostate cancer. Eating a lot of red meat, especially processed or well-done varieties, is associated with an increased risk of prostate cancer. Inflammation. Red meat, particularly high in unhealthy fats, can cause body-wide inflammation, potentially affecting prostate health. Hormonal changes. Hormones used in livestock farming may influence male hormones, impacting prostate health. Let's check types of red meat to limit or avoid. To support prostate health, consider reducing or avoiding certain red meats. Processed red meat. Avoid bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. Fatty cuts. Limit high-fat cuts like ribeye and T-bone steaks. Well-cooked and charred meat. Avoid meat cooked at high temperatures until well done or charred, as it can contain cancer-causing agents. Impact of excessive red meat consumption on the prostate. Consuming too much red meat can negatively affect prostate health in several ways. Higher risk of prostate cancer. Regular red meat consumption can elevate the risk of developing prostate cancer. Inflammation of the prostate. Unhealthy fats in red meat can cause inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate. Obesity. Excessive red meat intake can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are linked to a higher risk of prostate issues. By being mindful of red meat consumption, you can take a proactive step toward better prostate health. Number 3. High-fat dairy products. Why are they problematic? High-fat dairy products can pose significant issues for prostate health due to their high bad fat content. Here's why. Inflammation. Consuming high levels of unhealthy fats can cause body-wide inflammation. Chronic inflammation can irritate and harm the prostate, increasing the risk of prostate issues. Hormonal changes. Some studies suggest that high intake of bad fats can alter hormone levels, raising male hormones like testosterone. Elevated androgen levels can trigger prostate cell growth, heightening the risk of prostate problems. Examples of high-fat dairy products. To promote prostate health, limit consumption of these high-fat dairy products. Whole milk, cream, butter, certain cheeses like cheddar, Swiss, and brie. How saturated fats in dairy affect prostate health. Unhealthy fats in high-fat dairy products can impact prostate health in several ways. Cell growth. High intake of bad fats may increase androgen levels, potentially leading to prostate cell growth and related problems. Inflammation. Bad fats cause inflammation, which can harm the prostate over time. Obesity risk. Excessive consumption of high-fat dairy can lead to weight gain and obesity, known risk factors for prostate issues. By being mindful of your intake of high-fat dairy products, you can better support your prostate health. Number 4. Sugary beverages. The link between sugary drinks and prostate issues. Drinking sugary beverages can contribute to several factors that lead to prostate problems. Weight gain. Sugary drinks are high in calories but don't satisfy hunger, leading to increased calorie intake and weight gain. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for reducing the risk of prostate issues. Inflammation. Excessive sugar intake can cause inflammation throughout the body, potentially promoting the growth or worsening of prostate problems, including prostate cancer. Insulin resistance. Sugary drinks can spike blood sugar levels and lead to insulin resistance, which is associated with chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and a higher risk of prostate issues. Common sources of added sugars in beverages. It's important to be aware of where added sugars might be hiding in your drinks. Common sources include sodas and soft drinks, fruit juices, sports and energy drinks, sweetened teas, coffee and specialty coffee drinks, flavored water, alcoholic beverages, cocktails, and mixed drinks. By reducing your intake of sugary beverages, you can help support better prostate health. Number 5. Trans fats. What are they and where can we find them? Trans fats are a type of dietary fat created through hydrogenation, where hydrogen is added to liquid vegetable oils to make them solid. They are common in many processed and packaged foods because they enhance shelf life, taste, and texture. You can find trans fats in partially hydrogenated oils, the main source of artificial trans fats, found in baked goods, cookies, cakes, pastries, fried foods, French fries, fried chicken, and some margarines. Fast food. Many fast food items like French fries, chicken nuggets, and other fried foods contain trans fats due to the oils used for deep frying. Packaged snacks. Products like microwave popcorn, crackers, and chips often contain trans fats. Baked goods. Factory-made items such as pies, donuts, and various pastries typically have trans fats. Negative effects of trans fats on prostate health. Trans fats can negatively impact prostate health in several ways. Inflammation. Trans fats can cause body-wide inflammation. Chronic prostate inflammation increases the risk of prostate issues, including cancer. Heart health. Trans fats are linked to heart disease, which can affect blood flow to the prostate and impair its function. Hormonal imbalances. Trans fats may disrupt hormone balance, including testosterone levels, potentially affecting the growth and functioning of prostate cells. How to detect and avoid trans fats in your diet. To maintain prostate health and overall well-being, follow these tips to detect and avoid trans fats. Check food labels. Look for partially hydrogenated oils in the ingredient list. Even if the label claims 0 grams of trans fat, small amounts may still be present due to labeling rules, so choose products without partially hydrogenated oils. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally low in trans fats. Reduce processed and fast foods. Limit intake of processed and fast foods, which often contain trans fats and may negatively affect prostate health. By being mindful of trans fats, you can better support your prostate health. Number 6, too much salt. Impact of a high-sodium diet on the prostate. Eating too much salt can negatively affect prostate health in several ways. Blood pressure. High salt intake can lead to elevated blood pressure, potentially affecting the blood supply to the prostate and hindering its function. Inflammation. Excessive salt consumption can cause inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate, increasing the risk of prostate issues, such as cancer. Kidney function. High salt levels put extra stress on the kidneys, affecting overall metabolic health and potentially impacting the prostate. Common sources of excess salt in the diet. Salt is prevalent in many foods and is often added during cooking or processing. Common sources include processed and packaged foods. Canned soups, sauces, and pre-packaged meals often contain high salt levels for flavor and preservation. Fast food. Items like burgers, fries, and fried chicken are typically high in salt. Snack foods. Salty snacks like chips, pretzels, and salted nuts contribute to high salt intake. Condiments. Sauces and condiments, such as ketchup, soy sauce, and salad dressings are often high in salt. Importance of monitoring and reducing salt intake. To maintain prostate and overall health, it's crucial to monitor and reduce salt intake. Check food labels. Choose products lower in sodium by reading food labels. Cook at home. Home-cooked meals allow you to control salt content and use other seasonings like herbs and spices. Limit processed foods. Reduce consumption of processed and fast foods, which are typically high in salt. Drink lots of water. Staying hydrated helps flush out irritants and reduce discomfort. By keeping an eye on your salt intake, you can better support your prostate health. Number 7, refined carbohydrates. Connection between refined carbohydrates and prostate health. Refined carbohydrates can negatively impact prostate health by affecting overall health and increasing the risk of prostate problems. Blood sugar and insulin. Refined carbs are quickly digested, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar, leading to insulin release to manage the excess sugar. Over time, a diet high in refined carbs can cause insulin resistance, where the body becomes less responsive to insulin. Insulin resistance is linked to chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and an increased risk of prostate conditions. Hormone regulation. The insulin response to high refined carb intake can disrupt hormone balance, affecting male hormones like testosterone. Imbalances in these hormones may stimulate prostate cell growth, contributing to prostate issues. Obesity. Refined carbs are often high in calories but low in fiber, leading to increased calorie intake without a feeling of fullness. This can cause weight gain and obesity, which are associated with a higher risk of prostate problems. Foods containing refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are typically found in processed foods stripped of natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Common sources include white bread, made from heavily processed wheat flour; white rice, stripped of bran and germ, leaving mostly starchy endosperm; pasta, often made from refined wheat flour; baked goods; cakes, cookies, muffins, and pastries containing white flour and added sugars; sugary cereal. Many breakfast cereals high in refined carbs due to sugar and processed grains. How refined carbohydrates harm prostate health. Refined carbohydrates can negatively impact prostate health in several ways. Blood sugar control. Frequent spikes in blood sugar from refined carb intake can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of prostate problems. Hormonal imbalance. Insulin resistance and hormone imbalances, including testosterone, can promote prostate cell growth and contribute to prostate issues. Obesity. Excessive consumption of refined carbs can lead to weight gain and obesity. Known risk factors for prostate problems. By reducing refined carbohydrate intake, you can better support your prostate health and overall well-being. Number 8. Artificial sweeteners. The potential impact on prostate health. The impact of artificial sweeteners on prostate health is still under investigation, but some research suggests there might be a connection. Potential effects include hormonal changes. Some artificial sweeteners could disrupt hormone balance, affecting male hormones like testosterone, which could impact prostate health and the development of prostate conditions. Metabolic changes. While artificial sweeteners are used as sugar substitutes for weight and blood sugar control, there is evidence that they might cause metabolic changes, such as insulin resistance and glucose intolerance. These changes can affect overall health, including the prostate. Commonly used artificial sweeteners: aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, acesulfame-potassium, ACK, stevia, a natural zero-calorie sweetener. Understanding the potential effects of artificial sweeteners can help you make informed decisions about your diet and prostate health. Number 9. Spicy foods. Irritation of the prostate. Spicy foods, especially when consumed excessively, can sometimes irritate the prostate in some men. This irritation can manifest as discomfort or an increased urgency to urinate. While spicy foods are not a direct cause of prostate problems, it's important to be aware of the potential discomfort they may cause to the urinary and prostate areas. Managing spicy food consumption. To enjoy spicy foods while minimizing potential issues for those with sensitive prostates, consider these tips. Moderation. Enjoy spicy foods in moderation and avoid very hot or spicy dishes if they cause discomfort. Know your limit. Everyone's tolerance for spice varies. Listen to your body's signals and adjust the spice level in your food accordingly. Balanced diet. Balance your intake of spicy foods with nutrient-rich, whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. By being mindful of your spicy food consumption, you can enjoy the flavors you love while maintaining prostate comfort. Maintaining prostate health involves making informed dietary choices. By being aware of the foods that can negatively impact your prostate, such as processed meats, red meat, high-fat dairy products, sugary beverages, trans fats, excessive salt, refined carbohydrates, artificial sweeteners, and spicy foods, you can take proactive steps to support your overall well-being. Take control of your prostate health today by making smarter food choices. Start by gradually reducing your intake of these harmful foods and replacing them with healthier alternatives. Share this video with friends and family to spread awareness about the importance of diet in maintaining prostate health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier life. Your health is in your hands. Let's make it the best it can be.